In an era where artificial intelligence seems to be everywhere, one fundamental question looms over the workforce. Is my career safe from the rise of the machines? We see headlines every day about AI writing code, generating art, and even diagnosing diseases. It's natural to feel a sense of uncertainty about the future of work. However, amidst this technological revolution, there are pillars of the economy that remain remarkably resilient. These are careers built on skills AI simply cannot replicate. Today, we are diving deep into 5 career categories that AI cannot replace. We'll explore the unique human traits that make these roles indispensable. First, let's look at the skilled trades. This includes essential professionals like electricians and plumbers who keep our world running. Think about a plumber. They don't just fix a leak. They navigate unique, non-standard environments that are often messy and unpredictable. A robot might struggle with the tactile feedback required to feel a subtle vibration or the fine motor skills to work in a tiny space between walls. Then there are electricians. Their work isn't just about following a blueprint, it's about troubleshooting complex systems in real time. In older buildings, wiring rarely matches the original plans. An electrician uses intuition and years of experience to solve puzzles that would baffle a linear AI. The dexterity, spatial awareness, and problem-solving required in the trades are incredibly difficult to automate, making these careers very secure. Our second category is hands-on healthcare, specifically focusing on roles like nurses and surgeons. Nursing is a prime example of a forever career. While AI can analyze medical data, it cannot provide the essential human element of care. Nurses provide emotional support, empathy, and physical comfort, things that are vital to a patient's recovery, but impossible for a machine to feel. In the operating room, the stakes couldn't be higher. While robotic-assisted tools are common, the surgeon remains the ultimate decision-maker. Surgeons rely on tactile feedback, the feel of the tissue, and must make split-second life-or-death adjustments that go far beyond any algorithm. The combination of high-level physical skill and deep emotional intelligence makes these healthcare roles some of the most resilient against AI. The third category covers human services, including therapists, counselors, and social workers. These professionals deal with human complexity. Therapy is built on a foundation of trust and understanding. An AI might offer advice, but it can't truly listen or understand the subtext of a person's pain. Human connection is the catalyst for healing. The ability to read non-verbal cues and navigate the nuances of the human mind is uniquely ours. Social workers also operate in highly complex, unpredictable social environments. They are the advocates for those in need. They must navigate intricate family dynamics, legal systems, and ethical dilemmas that require a level of judgment and compassion AI simply doesn't have. As long as humans have emotions and social structures, these roles will remain essential and safe from automation. Fourth, we look at public safety, the brave men and women serving as police officers and firefighters. Imagine a burning building. The environment is chaotic, visibility is zero, and every second counts. This is not a place for a pre-programmed robot. Firefighters make split-second decisions based on incomplete data and changing conditions, requiring a level of physical bravery and adaptability. Police work is equally complex, involving high-stakes interactions where human judgment is the most critical tool. De-escalation and building community trust rely on empathy and emotional intelligence. A machine cannot understand the nuances of human behavior in a crisis. Public safety requires a combination of physical presence, ethical judgment, and rapid response that keeps these careers firmly in human hands. Our final category is creative arts with physical craft. This highlights roles like chefs and hairstylists. A great chef doesn't just follow a recipe. They use taste, smell, and touch to create a culinary experience. Cooking is an art form influenced by culture, season, and personal flair, elements that an AI cannot truly replicate or understand. Similarly, hairstylists combine technical skill with artistic vision and the unique needs of every client. Every head of hair is different. A stylist uses their eyes and hands to sculpt a look that complements a person's features and personality. The physical craft and artistic intuition found in these roles ensure they will always be valued and protected from the rise of AI. We've explored 5 diverse fields, but they all share a common thread. They rely on what makes us uniquely human. While AI will continue to change the way we work, it will never replace the empathy, physical skill, and complex judgment found in these careers. The key to navigating the future is to lean into these human-centric skills and find a path that AI simply cannot follow. If you want to dive deeper into securing your future, there is an incredible resource you should check out. It's the book Forever Careers, 1,000 Plus Careers, Safe from AI by Jason M. Beam. This comprehensive guide details over 1,000 roles safe from automation. You can find Forever Careers available now on Amazon. It's a must-read for anyone looking to build a resilient and lasting professional path. Secure your future today by focusing on the skills that make you indispensable. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your career journey.